Hey children, welcome to your new class. I know you all are very excited for new session and you all might be very excited and curious to explore the new course you have, right? So let's start our first maths class with an interesting way. Let's watch a story of two boys who learnt large numbers in an interesting manner. So the story begins when Sam comes looking for Tom on a fine Sunday morning. And on finding him, he says, "Hello Tom, how are you? I have been looking for you everywhere. What are you doing here?" "Sam, I have never seen such a collection of numbers. I wonder how these numbers are read." "Oh silly Tom, such a string of numbers are large numbers till thousands place, and these numbers are very easy to read." "Sam, would you please help me to understand how to read these?" "Of course, my dear. My teacher has taught me everything about these numbers in class 3. Let's perform an activity to understand this concept." So, you might be familiar with this mathematical instrument. "Oh, yes, it's an abacus. And the black sticks on it are called its spikes. And each spike represents a place value." Very good, Tom. You are right. Each spike on abacus represents a place value. And we start writing the place value on abacus from extreme right. And the first spike from the right represents ones place. The second represents tens place. And the third spike represents hundreds place. And together, these places make ones period. Do you know how do we place the beads in an abacus? And what is the role of beads in abacus? Yes, Sam. Beads represent numbers in abacus, and we always start placing the beads in abacus from ones place, just like this. So, one bead in ones place means smallest one-digit number, which is 1. I can also tell you that we can place maximum 9 beads in one spike. So, if we place 9 beads in the spike of ones place, it gives us the greatest one-digit number, which is 9. Very well said, Tom. Now, what if I add 1 to the greatest one-digit number? Alright, greatest one-digit number is 9. So, 9 plus 1 is 10. So, you may say 9 ones plus 1 is 10 ones or 1 tens. And 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Let's now place 10 on abacus with the help of beads. Since 0 is on ones place, so we will not put any bead in one spike. And 1 is on tens place, so we will place 1 bead in tens spike. Now, if you can place maximum 9 beads in one spike, then what would be the greatest two-digit number? Very good. It would be 99. And if we add 1 to the greatest two-digit number, we will get the smallest three-digit number, which is 100. And similarly, greatest three-digit number is 999. And if we add 1 to it, we will get the smallest four-digit number. But Sam, to place a four-digit number on an abacus, we need names for 4 spikes. Yes, Tom. The fourth spike from the right represents thousands, which is another place in our place value system. So the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Let's now take a look on the placement of 1000 on abacus. Since we have zeros on ones, tens and hundreds place, we will not put any bead in these spikes. And we have 1 on thousands place, so we will place 1 bead on thousands spike. And this is how 1000 can be represented on an abacus. Tom, you have to always keep in mind that we start placing the digits from the right side, but we always start reading them from the left side. That is, we always speak the greatest place first, just like we read it as 1000. Sam, I may also observe that 1000 has the same number of digits as those which are written on the wooden board. Yes, Tom, you are right. Let's now try to place these numbers in a place value chart and also try to name them. So the first number is 2963. Tom, how will you place this number in the place value chart? Sam, I will place the last digit, which is 3, at ones place first. Then I will place 6 at tens place, then 9 at hundreds place and 2 at thousands place. Very good, Tom. Can you now read this number for me? This would be 2963. Very good, Tom. Let's quickly take a look on the placement of rest of the numbers and their number names. So, we have talked about the places of the digits in a number. Let me now tell you more about the place value. Tom, place value is the value of the digit in a number on the basis of its position. Like the place value of 2 in the number 2963 is 2000 because it is present at thousands place. And what's face value then? Tom, the face value of a digit is the value of digit itself. Like the face value of 2 in the number 2963 is 2. Now, you might be curious to know what is expanded form, right? Expanded form is a way to write a number by showing the value of each digit with the sign of addition. Like the expanded form of 1235 is 1000 plus 200 plus 30 plus 5. Both the ways to write expanded form are correct, and you may follow any of these ways to write the expanded form. Now let me tell you how you can arrange these numbers written on the board in ascending order. In order to arrange these numbers in ascending order, you always look for the smallest digit on the highest place. Like here, the highest place is thousands. And the smallest digit on the highest place is 1 in 1235. So, we will write this number at first place. And then, we will keep writing the numbers in the increasing order of their values till the number with the greatest value is written. And if we have same digit on the highest place in two numbers, then we compare the digit on the second highest place of the numbers. And out of them, whichever number has the smaller digit on that place is written first and the other one is written afterwards. Oh, that's very easy. Let me try to arrange these numbers in descending order now. So, descending order means I will write these numbers in decreasing order of their values. So, the greatest number will be written first and then it will be followed by the smaller numbers. Yay! I did it! Well done, Tom. Since you know the concept of ascending and descending order, let me tell you how to frame the smallest and the greatest number out of the given set of digits. So, in order to form the smallest number out of the given set of digits, we arrange them in ascending order. That's easy, Sam. So, the smallest number here would be 0256. Oh, innocent Tom. When you read this number, it is read as 256, which is a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. Whenever we have 0 among the given digits, we always write 0 on second place and the number next in the row on the first place. So, the smallest 4-digit number out of the given set of numbers would be 2056. Now, in order to form the greatest 4-digit number out of the given set of digits, you can simply arrange these digits in descending order, just like this. So, the greatest 4-digit number here becomes 6520. Thank you, Sam. Now I have understood everything about 4-digit numbers. And I'm so eager to solve the questions given on page number 2 and 3 of my maths book. That's amazing! Come, let's solve these questions together. Hey kids, I hope you all have also got the concept for 4-digit numbers brushed up. Now open your textbooks on page number 2 and solve the questions given on page 2 and 3 on your book.